In this video, I'm going to show you how to add flashlights to control center on iPhone on iOS 18. So for quick access, you can access your flashlight directly from your iPhone lock screen like this. But you can also add the flashlight to your iPhone control center on iOS 18. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you need to do is go to the control center on your iPhone by swiping down at the top right like this. Then go to where you want to add the touchlight, that is the control page. Press and hold it. You can press and hold any of the control pages. It could be here, and it could be where you want to add the touchlight or flashlight. Then click on add a control. Once you click on that, locate touch. If you can't find touch easily, just come here and click on search control and search for touch. Then once you can find it, click on touch. Then you should see the touch added. So that is the touch added to your iPhone control center. Now to use it, all you just need to do is click on it just once and then turn it on and turn it off. So this is how you can easily add touch to control center on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.